Alrighty, so in my last video I said I'm going to make a video on the day after. And sorry it isn't the day after, but it is 2 days after, or maybe it's, I'm not sure, like, I think it was July 12th. It's a tornado right outside Chicago. It was an EF1, but it looked big. I'll put a picture on the screen right now, and I'm going to tell you why I'm not really impressed with the news channels that I was watching. Anyway, I'll tell you. Firstly, I put on the screen as well the damage path and the info about it. So here it is. And yeah, anyway, well, like I say, basically, yeah, I just like say in the middle, the tornado was still on the ground. Ad break. It can be dangerous. Like, I get it. Maybe the news anchor needs to just stop for a second, but I'll get on to maybe my idea so I don't have to worry about dangerous stuff again. But like I say, so the ad break went for 2 minutes. Now, it might not seem that much, but with tornadoes, that can be a long time because, like say, I'm just going into probability of what has happened in 2 minutes for tornadoes. A tornado has intensified so much, just a lot. A tornado has completely flattened a town and, like say, completely destroyed a town and gone back up. And just like again, it could kill somebody and it could go back up. Luckily, no towns were flattened, no one died, but during the outbreak it did cause some damage, and then it did go back up. And I'm just like, I find that a bit risky because imagine if it intensified. Imagine if that tornado became the next EF5, since like there hasn't been one for over 10 years. But imagine, like say if it became the next EF5, it could be like that and then dissipate in the outbreak. I think that just give me a second. Like say back a long time ago, when there was like tornadoes on the ground, there was no ad breaks. No ad breaks, continuous coverage until the threat was over, which I think should still be happening to this day. But it does not happen. I just don't understand the threat. And just like say, then after do that, because money isn't as important as lives. But like, I'll tell you my solution, that you could have 2 anchors, meaning that if one anchor has to go, like say maybe to the bathroom, or they are getting information, they could get someone, or if it's like say it could be like 10 seconds or something, they could quickly put on what has happened so far, information. Or you could have a second anchor which can to take the other anchor's place until the first one is ready to come back on. I think that's a good idea because that could save lives. I know you might have to go to the bathroom, but like I said, that idea that I had, that could help save lives. I did get a bit like say, what? Oh, come on. But yeah. Anyway, I will be doing the May 3rd 1999 documentary. It just might be next week maybe, because I just got a bit busy yesterday. But like say, I'll definitely next week it should be out. Anyway, thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. And if you have any video ideas, I'll probably use with this footage that I have here for another video. I'll probably have another video, so probably see this footage in the background again for another video. But yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.